Yo, it was 1990 something, my rap style was premature. Wet behind the ears, I wasn't familiar with the streets at all. Inquisitive, how to be involved. I was heavily influenced by the music that came from East New York. Lacing my Theodora shoestrings. I was a B-more nigga in search of new things, rocking that Wu-Tang. Mortal Kombat 2, I used Liu Kang, the fly kick nigga. A project nigga, I spit and they ain't seem to grasp the concepts, nigga. I was out of their league, rhymes left them intrigued. Still searching for the person I was destined to be. I always stayed in my lane, I had to represent me. I would clone the fly poems by Nasir Jones, but how would I try to mimic? They would think I'm a gimmick. Trials and tribulations made me keep it authentic. This is way before a jail sentence, all part of my adolescence. Gold chains and codes and beepers. We was drinking 40s and smoking reefer. No need to go any deeper. Thought I would take the time to scribble out a rhyme and describe guys I idolize. So used to have two Caesars and all the riches in the bleachers. Hot weather, sex on the beaches. Used to have two Caesars and all the riches in the bleachers. Hot weather, sex on the beaches. Used to have two Caesars and all the riches in the. Used to have two Caesars and used to have two Caesars and all the riches in the bleachers. Hot weather, sex on the beaches. The Pat Ewins, Russell Sweats and medallions. The winner hit it was the Levis with the Sherlin on. Me and my brother used to share a room, and I swear my older cousin was the first to wear a herringbone. That's when the street respected Jettas with the BBS's. We watched Apollo, Sandman and Kiki Shepard. Minimum wages brought us vibrating pages, conversations. How we could be as large as skyscrapers. KRS-Ones, EPMDs, Run DMCs. I wore Adidas underneath my Lee dungarees. Microphone check, only classics when in my cassette deck. Fast forward the Gore-Tex, the source wasn't awards yet. We played in fire hydrants right in front of projects. Kept a shoebox full of money inside the closet. This is way before the East and West beef. Big and Tupac, we would watch their videos on jukebox. I was a fan of MC Shan, a real Roxanne. Favorite Will Smith jam, which parents just don't understand. BDP, B.I.G. and W.A. Eazy-E. Did this rap shit easily. These cats will forever be legendary to me, and a major part of why I MC. Indeed, you can achieve, believe.